what's up Bali? How you guys doing? Apa kabar? This video is about the new updates how to register the Peduli Lindungi app. One application which is required for you to fly to Bali, to Indonesia. So watch the video until the end. My name is Soki Misa. I'm the host in Bali. Guys, Bali lovers around the world, as you may heard many times, pretty lot, tourists found difficulties on registering their vaccine, registering in Peduli Lindungi app, and fill in the e-hack. Somehow now, finally, the government noticed that. Maybe the government checked my comment. Anyway, now they're simplified. So travelers only need to fill in to finish it just until the profile. And now, no e-hack. No e-hack. So it's more easy now. First visa on arrival for 43 countries at the moment. Free visa for 9 countries of Southeast Asian countries. No more quarantine. No more CHSE certified hotel. No more PCR test in arrival. And now no more e-hack. Woohoo! Okay, so now how we register in Peduli Lindungi application. Okay, here we go. First, of course, you need to download the application, the Peduli Lindungi application, to your handphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. But in some countries, you cannot find the Peduli Lindungi app in your App Store. But don't be panicked. If that happens, all you gotta do is just go to your browser in your handphone, go to Peduli Lindungi app official website, scroll down. Almost at the end, you will see 3 logos: App Store, Google Play Store, and App Gallery. Click that for you to download. When it's done, you will see this icon in your phone. Click that and you will see this, then this. You see on the top right, they said Bahasa. Bahasa means language. So you select your language there. In this case, let's use English. Then below, you see the Warga Indonesia. Choose below it, Warga Negara Asing, which means foreigners. Then you'll see this page. You see that blue text, register? Click that. And this page open. Select email, not phone number, but email. Because if you choose phone number, it goes only for the +62. So for the local number. So make sure you choose the email. Okay. Now type in your full name, first name, then last name. Then type in your email below it. Then click that little box saying you're agreed for the term and condition. And hit the register button on the bottom. Then this appear. Enter the 6-digit verification number. For this, it's sent to your email. So go to your email, check your inbox, and also your spam folder. And you see you'll receive an email for Peduli Lindungi like this with the 6 verification number. Copy that number, then go back to Peduli Lindungi and paste the number there. Then hit verify. Then this will appear. Hit next, then this, hit next, and this. Then done. You are now registered in Peduli Lindungi app. But no, wait. You're not finished yet. You still need to complete your profile. Just a little bit more. You see on the top left, there is your name there. Hi, your name. In this case, it mentioned Hi Woody Wood. Click that and you will see this. See the first box, citizenship. Click that and change to foreigner. Then type below it where your passport were issued. Actually, what they ask is your nationality. Then type again below it the number of your passport. Then hit save. And that's how you download and register and fill in your Peduli Lindungi app now. Easy now, right? So now let me say it again, how to travel to Bali now based on regulation 6 April 2022. Let me tell you again what you need to prepare and what will happen to you in the airport in Bali. First, make sure you're vaccinated. 1 dose, 2 doses, or 3 doses. If you cannot get vaccinated because your health condition, now it's okay. Just make sure you bring a letter from the hospital saying that you cannot get vaccine because of your health condition. Okay, so 1 dose can also now go to Bali? Yes, but for 1 dose, you still need to get the PCR test when you arrive in the airport. It goes also for those who cannot get vaccine. Then you will be transferred to dedicated hotel quarantine to do 5 days quarantine. Okay, my children has not yet vaccinated yet. So does it mean my children have to do the quarantine? No. Children under 18 years old follow the status of their parents. Now let's talk for those who already vaccinated at least 2 doses. What they need to prepare and what happened when they arrive in Bali. What they need to prepare first are download and register to Peduli Lindungi app, which I just explained it earlier. Then get the health insurance which cover COVID-19. I already mentioned down in description 2 of insurance company. One is Safety Wing, an American health insurance, and one Jaga Wisata, an Indonesian health insurance. Click one of that. And it's not expensive, you know. Like Jaga Wisata, you only need to pay about $35 to get 30 days protection. And you can top up at the end of the 30 days if you want to continue. Alright, now the next one is book an accommodation. Can be hotel, can be resort, can be hostel, can be guest house, can be homestay, can even be your friend's house. As long as you have proof that you are expected and you are welcome. Just email from them. Or is it hotel? Ask them to send you letter of confirmation of your reservation. And the next one, RT-PCR test, maximum 48 hours before your departure from your country. Then fill in the electronic custom declaration using this link. It's just declaration if you're carrying a lot of cigarette, alcohol, food, etc. You know, used to be with a small piece of paper where the flight attendants normally give us when we entering another country. But now we do it in your handphone. So we'll speed up the process of custom at the airport. And that's all. Okay. What about the visa? Yes, the visa. For those who are nationality of these 43 countries, you can pause it if you want to find your country there. Travelers from these countries can get visa on arrival at the airport in Bali, in Jakarta, in Surabaya, in Medan, etc. There's 7 airports. The price is only about $35 to stay 30 days and can be extended one time for another 30 days. So total, you can stay for 60 days with visa on arrival. Just make sure your passport is at least have 6 months validity and you have return ticket or ticket to other countries which is your next destination. And now, for the 9 Southeast Asian countries, you got free visa, man. But only can stay for 30 days. Okay, what about if I want to stay more? Then you need to apply the visa on arrival at the airport. No, okay, what I meant is I'm gonna stay more than 60 days. Then, listen, for you who wanna stay more than 60 days, for you who later wanna have a retirement kitas, business kitas, investment kitas, working visa, social visa, etc. And those who's not included in that 43 countries, you guys need to apply the B211A e-visa. You have to apply it when you're still in your country. The process will take 7 to 14 days. And this visa is required sponsor. So I suggest you use visa agency because the visa agency will be your sponsor. I mentioned down below in the description 2 reliable visa agency in Bali and Jakarta. And that's all. Easy now, right? Visa on arrival for 43 countries, free visa for 9 Southeast Asian countries, no quarantine, no CHSE certified hotel, no PCR test when you arrive in Indonesia, and no e-hack to fill in. Get out from the plane, go to visa on arrival counter if you need one, go to immigration, get your bag, and get out from the airport. So that's all. That's all, brother. That's all how to travel to Bali, how to go to Bali. Maybe in this case I have to say to Indonesia. Share this video so more and more people understand how to fill in the Peduli Lindungi app, which is one of requirement to go to Bali. And hit that subscribe button for those who haven't. Click the notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to travel to Bali, Bali travel regulation and condition in Bali now. My name is Oki Misa, I'm your host in Bali. See you in the island of God. Stay safe.